In this video, let's talk about using the local AI Gemini Nano model to run a different prompt here. So I wanted to showcase a new prompt that I created, and the core construct of this prompt is that it's using some XML. So we can see here the user acting as a contract reviewer, an objective, analyze each clause, and then tasks with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and numbered on down, ending the tasks. Why has that been good? Well, for the local model, it gave it precise instructions for it to then accomplish, well, the task effectively. So here, as we go back up to the results and we can take a look, what we're going to see is in this result set, we have achieved the output we desired. So it went through each clause that's contained over here. It took out all 19, and there are 19 clauses, and then it proceeded to do what I asked it in the prompt, which was to give it a type, give it a less than 10 word summary or analysis, determine if there's money involved with it, and then extract some key data in that regard. Now you could argue, well, there's $1,000 for key data here for the cap liability. Why wasn't money there? Well, we got to go back to the prompt, and if it wasn't totally specific enough for it, then that's probably why. So for this third table cell, if the clause involves money, that one probably should have been hit, I would think, just because there's $1,000 cap liability. So even with the best prompting, which this is not the best prompting, but it's showing an example of how to do it with some XML. And so this one, compensation, and maybe it just picked up on the word compensation, so then probably would say money including numerics. I might want to revise the prompt. Right, so this is what is possible today with local AI running in your browser, no data leaving your hard drive to go anywhere except inside the browser, consume the content of the agreement or document, and have, in this case, an XML-centric approach to writing the prompt. There's lots of ways to write prompts. I found this to be pretty simplistic and easy for Gemini to pick up and follow, the local version Gemini Nano. And I'm really pleased with these results. With very little code changes. The only code that I really changed is you don't see any charting or anything like that, as well as the headers. I changed the headers. That's it. The new prompt has allowed me to, in effect, reuse my code and offer some data mining. This now could be sent to the back end for CLM purposes. This information could be stored in attributes inside Docusign CLM. It could be used then in reports, and it can also trigger workflows, all again originating locally within the browser. Thanks.